Let's dive right into this explainer on installing the Debridio Premium add-on for buffer-free streaming. It's a premium bundle that pairs with resolving services to give you reliable, high-quality links. At just $9.99 a year, it's pretty cost-effective for serious streamers. You're upgrading for more 4K links, zero traffic crashes, and total VPN compatibility. The process is super simple. Sign up, configure the add-on, and install it. Ready? Step 1, just visit the official Debridio website and hit that sign-up button. Next, pop in your user credentials and select Create an Account. Then, simply check your inbox and verify your email address to activate it. Step 2, head back to the Debrio's dashboard and pick your specific Debri provider. Here, you'll need to generate and input the API key from your chosen provider. Now tweak your setup, adjust the max file sizes, link limits, and video resolutions. All set? Just click Copy Install URL. You're ready for the final phase. Step 3. Launch the Stremio web app. Open the left menu and choose Add-ons. From there, go ahead and click the Add Add-on button. Paste that exact URL you copied earlier from Debridio right here and click Add. Finally, hit Install. Your Debridio Video On Demand add-on is now fully integrated and ready. You can repeat this exact process to install bonus features like TMDB and Watchtower.